We have breaking news out of McCord Junior High School this afternoon. Principal Josh Tyburski has an important announcement about four houses, one McCord. We'll go there live now.
Well, hello, McCord. Today is a big day. Today we are going to actually find out what house you belong to. And I know we've been asking since the beginning of the school year, what house will you be? So I want to start by first asking ourselves, what is a McCord tartan? What is an actual tartan? And that's hard to rally around and understand because what a tartan is an actual cloth, and it's a cloth worn by Scottish warriors, and it designates what family or who they're fighting for. And the difference between those tartans are really the colors that they are, as well as the pattern. So if you look at the McCord tartan behind us, the pattern and the color is unique to McCord. So when we talk about our four houses, we were very specific on how we wanted to develop our houses. So we were specific in which Scottish names we were taking for them. So there's a purpose behind MacDonald, Johnstone, Hannay, and Stewart. So if you look at those four individual houses, what you'll see is the first letter of each one of those house names are M, J, H, S. So M for MacDonald, J for Johnstone, H for Hannay, and S for Stewart. And the reason we did that is for MJHS also stands for McCord Junior High School. So even though we're divided into four houses, we still are one family. And today you're going to find out what house you belong to. So MacDonald is the house of Urim, which is respect. Johnstone is going to be the house of Anarchus, meaning integrity. Hannay is the house of Lorg, meaning discovery. And Stewart is the house of Olus, meaning knowledge. And each one of those houses also have their own tartan and their own color and their own pattern of plaid. And you're going to see those on the house flags that you're going to see here in a few minutes as we get down to the assembly. They also have those colors designated with them, more of a purple, green, blue, and a gray. And you'll see that as well when you find out what house you're in and you get your house t-shirt here in a few minutes. So all summer long, myself, Mrs. Felder, your teachers, everyone else in the office, counselors, we looked at you as an individual and we wanted to find out what characteristics and what traits do you possess? What makes you unique? What makes you special? And based on that, we paired you up specifically into one house. And we wanted to make sure that based on your characteristics and your traits, that you were hand-selected and that you are in a specific house for a specific reason. So we didn't just randomly throw these things together. So we can't change houses once we're in there because there's a reason why we think you possess those traits and why we put you in a specific house. There's a purpose behind that because what you bring here to McCord matches what our houses stand for. Once you're in a house, here's what happens after this. So once you're in a house, and everyone's going to be in a house, so every single student, every single staff member, anybody that comes in and out of this building is going to be in a house. And you're going to be in that same house your entire time here at McCord. And once we have our houses in place, we're going to then compete for house points. And we're going to do that in various different ways. And the idea is if you are the leader and have the most house points, then you take possession of the throne. Yes, there's a throne. Yes, you're going to see it in a minute. And if you have possession of the throne, that means that you rule over and oversee all of Tartan Nation. But remember, even though we are four houses, we're still one family. MJHS, McCord Junior High School. Now, on your way down to the assembly, you're going to get a bag. One of these. It's going to have your name on it, going to have a shirt size. Now you did these in your AIs a handful of weeks ago. Now they're full and they've been sealed. So on your way down to the assembly, you're going to grab this bag and bring it down. No peeking, no looking. It's top secret. When we're at the assembly, I am going to give you the sign. I'm going to tell you when it's time to open this bag. Do not open it, do not peek until I give that sign, and that's going to happen at the assembly. So now, I guess there's only one question left to ask, and that's, what house will you be in? So grab your bag and come down to the gym.